Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on Yale Cam. And to do this, first you need to download the app called Yale View. And you can find it on Google Play Store or any other store that you're using. Open the app, register or log into your account, and then make sure that your camera is connected to the power using provided cable. Now we can click on this plus button, allow all of the access for the app, and scan the QR code on your camera. It should be right here on the bottom. Here it is. We can move to the next step, and yeah, the device is connected. We can enter our Wi-Fi credentials, details to connect our camera with the Wi-Fi. So in this case, we need to change to 2.4G since 5G networks is not available for that camera. So let me change quickly. Now enter the password. Now we need to make sure that there's a green light flashing slowly right here on the bottom of our camera. For me it is, so I'm confirming that, and then moving to the next step. Turn up the volume of your phone and point the speaker to the device microphone. We need to enter the password for our device. That means for the camera, and I'm gonna try to... Okay, it needs to have the combination, so let me enter that password, but out of the camera view. So I've added my password. I can move to the next step. And the camera is successfully set up, and we'll be able to rename it. Let it just load the screen. Okay, so I went back, and now the camera is right here, and we can adjust its settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.